I'm Cody Sharpless with Ben Construction. New construction homes built today have a higher energy efficient rating than last year, year before, and year before that. The point is every year we try to improve on the product that we produce and ensure that it is as energy efficient as possible while keeping the cost down for our buyers. A few of the things that we do to ensure that your home is as energy efficient as possible is we ensure that the installation meets or exceeds all code requirements, as well as the requirement within the zone climate. What we build is in zone 3 and in zone 4 climate. That means your walls are going to have R15, not R13. Your attic insulation is going to be R38 and not R30. We perform duct blast tests on the HVAC system to ensure that it's sealed properly, as well as a door blast test to ensure that the home that you're going to buy is as airtight as possible.